Welcome back to the pop-up camper transformation. I'm gonna primer and seal this bottom, and then I'll throw it back on the trailer. And I'll put the top on it. You should never let somebody tell you can't do something. Oh, you can't do that. Or, oh, you shouldn't try that, Tony. You can pretty much do whatever you put your mind to. It might take you a little longer. But you can get it done. You just have to. Sometimes you might have to work a little harder than everybody else. Make sure you get, because plywood is not real perfect, so make sure you get all the little cracks and gaps filled up. I've seen people just spray that undercoating on here, and I'm not trusting of a aerosol can of undercoating. Looks like I might have to put me a reminder back there to tighten that up. Make sure you get the bottom sealed up pretty good so that all the work you put into it will last. I've seen people do this out of OSB, and from what I've seen with this deal, you can do it. This didn't have any, it may have had something on it, but it was terrible. I'm not going to use OSB in mine. I don't want to put all that time and money into it and find out that it's just going to give up on you. I like the smell of fresh cut wood, but some of the paint smells pretty good too. I didn't put a drop cloth down because it's time to repaint the floor again anyway, so I'm not going to worry too much about it. take long. Latex dries pretty fast, and I would say if you were the next owner of this particular camper, wait about 10 years down the road, give it another coat. Should be fine. Still hot in here. Yeah, I'll just give me a good thick coat on this, and then I'll let it dry a little bit and come back and drop the whole thing back on the trailer, and I can insulate it. I can insulate it and then put the floor on it. This was a $3 gallon of Oops paint that we used to paint some outdoor chair cushions with. We made a mistake and used some scented fabric softener in it. It smells so bad. Oh, it's awful. Awful, awful. And that looks like that's about it. I'm just going to put a little bit more on the gaps. Those gaps up. Make sure there's not any color showing, because you should be able to see color in there. Like the white of the wood. If it's all dark and there's no color in there, then that means you probably got a pretty good coat of paint on it. Alright. Turn my fans on it. Man, look for a little bit more of a, there's a little bit of a gap there. And then just checking to see if I see any more spots that I missed. Alright, that's pretty much. Alright. Yep. Alright again. Alright. See y'all later.